Studying late again? We're right here with you. Welcome back to the channel. Here are our top 10 tips on using ChatGPT to enhance your YouTube channel. Harness the power of ChatGPT to generate engaging content. Tip number 1. Identify your target audience. Start by identifying the type of audience you want to target with your YouTube channel. This will help you create content that is tailored to their interests and needs. Tip number 2. Brainstorm video ideas. Once you have a good understanding of your target audience, start brainstorming ideas for videos that will resonate with them. Look for popular topics in your niche and think about how you can add value with your own unique perspective or expertise. Tip number 3. Use ChatGPT for content ideas. Use ChatGPT to generate additional ideas and inspiration for your videos. You can enter a keyword or topic related to your channel and let ChatGPT generate content ideas and titles based on your input. Tip number 4. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Use ChatGPT to create effective video titles and descriptions. A strong title and description can make a big difference in how many people click on your video and watch it. Tip number 5. Use ChatGPT for keyword research. Use ChatGPT to generate a list of keywords related to your channel and use them in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results and attract more views. Tip number 6. Engage with your audience. Make sure to respond to comments and engage with your audience to build a strong relationship with them. You can use ChatGPT to generate responses to common comments or questions. Tip number 7. Use ChatGPT for scripting and editing. Use ChatGPT to help with scripting and editing your videos. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for what to say in your videos, or use it to help edit your scripts for better clarity and coherence. Tip number 8. Promote your channel. Use social media and other marketing channels to promote your YouTube channel and reach a wider audience. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for marketing campaigns and promotional materials. Tip number 9. Track your analytics. Use YouTube's built-in analytics tools to track your progress and see what's working and what's not. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for improving your analytics and tracking your success. Tip number 10. Keep learning. Finally, keep learning and adapting to changes in your niche and YouTube as a platform. Use ChatGPT to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices for growing your YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.